Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the cabin filter on Mercedes C220 CDI W203. The cabin filter on this car is located in the engine bay area and it's located right there. That's the cabin filter housing. In order to remove the cabin filter housing, there's 3 clamps that we need to remove, and we can take out the cabin filter housing. And that's the cabin filter right there. Now we're going to remove it and replace it with a new one. Now that the cabin filter is replaced, we're going to put it back in its place and lock the clamps, and then we're done with replacing the cabin filter. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.